Children, now we will revise some antonyms. Kind, unkind. Slave, master. Punishment, reward. Tender, hard. Poor, rich. High, low. Unbound, bound. Happy, sad. Very good. Now you have to find 5 words that describe the sound made by the lion from the story. Growled, roared, moaned, whimpered, roaring. Correct. Children, now you have to tell the reactions that followed each of the actions. Androcles did not like his cruel master, so he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. The lion looked at Androcles piteously, so he moved very cautiously towards the lion step by step. Androcles bandaged the lion's injured paw, and the lion licked his arm as if to show gratitude. A hungry, furious lion was released into the area, and Androcles felt weak and dismayed. The lion reached Androcles and began to purr and rub its nose against him. The emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like. Androcles asked to set the lion free. Well done. Now you will try to speak few lines on some points. The condition of slaves in ancient Rome. Condition of slaves in ancient Rome was miserable. They were treated very badly. They did not have any rights. They had to do whatever their master ordered them to do. And if any of the slaves did some crime, he was given severe punishment. Qualities of Androcles. Androcles was a very nice man. He had a soft heart and was always ready to help others. He was very patient. He had undergone all the hardships. He was also very courageous to try to set his life free. Knowing about the adversities he would face if he was caught, he was caring and loving. Even wild animals can be our friends. From the lesson, we can say that even wild animals can be our friends. If we do not tease them or harass them, they will not harm anyone. They can understand the love and affection given by human beings, and they return the same. They attack people only when they are hungry and could not find any other animal. Very good, children. Can you name some stories and their heroes which you read or have heard from someone? Sindbad the Sailor, Sindbad. Ali Baba and 40 Thieves, Ali Baba. Balveer Hanuman, Hanuman. Robin Hood and his Merry Men, Robin Hood. Jungle Book, Mowgli. That's really great.